Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Bichano etifonya
etifonya ne voice din to ko bia ni ho esu wo mix mu ana be wo fi am se basa na me na boy na mix e
na o mix
me na me mix show no enya wo a na boko de
nyamia do moko na unso
ye de nyamia se Frida ne mofra no ti sen
bia ho
no mo wife di aka girl de
meti ma bo akire
o girl din kana wife your damvu. You can only have a wife who is a friend now, only like a girlfriend who wants him. Hey! I could be girl between us, I'm about to get man here. Tell the rough video. And to share live on Facebook. And you were Shippers Abeka Junction, and I need FM one or pay any time Ghana near the Ebron. Then come on, you be the video appear this soon come on. In fact, a Wednesday I didn't touch you and say, "Ebi ana what you be doing na onim kwan of fast so I wanna more be do something benzo." There was some experience bi anko fo kum usua uns eh appear to say obe nwum bi e boni din won ndumba mu kodwa ntwum nyina boni din won mu de papa wan fa no go so ba nyame adom otumi aba na appear to live to say
boko
bibia da ne kwam.
Yes.
You've been around for a long time oh.
Nyame adom.
Na so live nyina we na wa na so ya actor so ka ho.
Kobe Rana na oma me ko active movie bi.
I know you work up as the main character.
Me ko no me kan ho Google for Wikipedia.
So ko hwe madam book ma so na no mu sin bi o mu twa. O mu yan so be belief. Ko fo no mu ho wo na katal bo se yan ko to. O mu se minye belief but TV so me belief TV so
we actor.
You profile me actor. Work up.
I mean na me sofo me na me wedding.
So
movie I do.
For better for worse.
I do.
One movie back up and
back up and my so far.
And then only drive me act.
Maybe because I mean go baby unim bloggers ko concern phone. Eugene
we call the Wikipedia na dey buy.
Wikipedia. Say omo on the time Wikipedia. Me wo me 12 born me who e call for so mu hu.
Last
oh me last me we
what we dey on just here
me ba je say me
wu bi man na only madam on
twaso
appear generally na about saying
boko sa wo no
ma udika for the experience experience it appear to be a family man a family man and to come on be say when you want to so be appear to question be be fa 05033595587 05033595587 appear to go banyo no kwanso the body clutch bi so by star superstar fufuropa ono oyoba na yo
that's one of my new artists.
One of your new artists.
He's the second runner up Vodafone Icons.
Okay.
Kingaro.
Ken boko there. Voice there. Boko there.
Pacho.
The nyamiasi. Se bibia de na kwam. Okay. Abi the chance say free wa brabo. O sha say saying.
Oh, me there time na me go school ni nya no. Na
you was in secondary school.
Even before secondary school na me pe kwa no ko jejina banfo ni nchen. Kakra me start see.
Ma men kai we say no kra na do tro ya sini hu. Se wo ya akwara no. First toy I patoma a piano toy.
Piano toy.
Now we had one no bonny na.
Ntontrowa. Mi shisha na me de boa bobo na sound na santin boa na kun. Na me de disturb on window echi.
O bon say.
O me de ababu bom sa.
Da we sound mi sisi ya.
Kun. Ti one day buy no was selling nyina me o yakọ fire and obi aso be so kirem no fire ba tu ko buy no the toy piano am because and no nyi di desa
no the buy na chance here
and am say me
toy piano no
me ya makini tutui
na sata mu because sounding nya dia na ye common at that time no me be kai
say me come me secondary school answer because me ma me bo be ko bomba eso no me fa ho ko
na sata me wa dwumi say banya kohwefo adwuma
ba me ko gira mo ncha no ma kire me key ba ko sa kakra ya sorry ya na me di sesu ya
asore ben
me started with Four Square Gospel Church and okay me started with Mount Olivet and I'm the call Four Square Gospel Church
okay
na kakra na enti tiomu Dennis Bote sisi o doctor.
Okay.
O Trinity Hospital. Ono started chere me.
Dr. Dennis Bote.
Ono no chere me 1212. Sana me de start here.
Na kakra sa. Enti na wo nyina na wo say obi aye bibia mo hwe nenim say dan kon bibia meye adwuma edu this level na me do perfection.
Oh, there be me boy ya be do salifo amu akwa soro wo circle.
Alive Chapel.
Yeah, bubo ho na me sound no ne mix no kind of chim. I didn't have any mind of sound engineering.
Okay.
But my busa me say me
enyum just obey musician.
Me the sanam ka chere say me pese me bonyum. And me nua panyin no nim Fredima. And
Fredima Studios.
Onim na down fu bi nim Fredima nti no ne nya na me ko ho na ekohu ye. And manager me to no start say or cheche me 121.
It's sound engineering part of Fredima na channel.
That be beginning like no start to check me bigs no. The first time me rest studio na Fredima studio na me rest.
Studio da.
Keyboard na na the board no man.
To cross studio no. Je na so mu first.
Oh, say okọ ha no man bebre sisi ho.
Nti de hin na ba o team say we dey say be dem nsa kan we.
Ade do say be kan computer na all that time na friend Atari computer. Old time computer bi etiko pobi.
You sure say Pentium half.
Just get to and look do have no na but the time in you correct no na near the bubo.
But I said when it je say issue na anya wodin.
Oh yes, me the studio ho nyina and the Freddy ma be catch no. My chance. Let me and you man no me call off no afrem ko.
That now we senior high school.
Maybe yes.
Now we senior high school say Ghana had here. We school say do that level no na busa say adwuma asem ne.
No man be say me to aso but I didn't have any interest and I didn't know what I was going to do. Because me interest ni nyina wo say besim ye me ni yanyum tina dot time say na keyboard beat wo mu no keka ho mitimi ma drums ne bo na me bokis no na me dey demo jijiji nkofo wa sorry kra and so me be pure Freddy so that interest was there like
when young boy na cash bounce some san
oh na nya no say
so you demo be just kakaka
na nya eno say the fact say my yanyum no kro nya kona to na oh ya recording no eno kra na me de it's no me ameje
and from Fredima Studios na ko hin
Freddy man na dem call case frequency because at some point you know yes you know no matter level be but na me pentem amanfo bi a o mo baba me de bia me da ho na me chinchinti ade ba chi bia na ma say ni machine bi ma kwa ko chimbi bi di Freddy ma abusa na no frame oba de saifo be e fechire tu o ampa be si na nyina me am koto sound card. Now I'll go and read about it. I read about the components in a sound card and what they do and blah blah and which companies manufacture them and which ones are the best. In the end, we number 22 my friend electronic for Mr. Yensa diode we here. It be an my sound card. By name it me ya no menye papa.
So what's the nature?
Me got sound card now so ko to be at the end no. Unya me sound ni bi da. Because me feature me say. Sister we ni ehwe se ni we be match ya. Yemfa we si ya. Sa
no wonder you're a father of 4.
Jai sir.
Let's have a chin man.
Oh, Jai.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
You holy pa.
Send you the phone. Only why I did.
What they do be at video.
It's from K frequency na coin. K frequency.
The K frequency no. And fella Kuti ni basis ba ko. Tieku.
Fela Kuti Nigerian musician.
Not the Ghanaian be the bassist.
Okay.
Victor Tieku. Obi a studio, Kamsai Studios or Snit. Na me call her. To be free honors and maybe me am studio creative studios.
What kind of they say now was it that easy say? You know,
we say summarization. Easy sir. So far over 20 years. So imagine. Yeah, kind of better, but there's all kind of school. Who can say we go school? Who can say and I'm a co and I'm share teacher we know you.
That's a clock. That's a very boy.
Besides what go school.
It's your first instrument. Why would you bottom chicato and any instrument?
Piano.
Wow.
Nam La Paz one am here. Nam Kubusa ma.
La Paz second hand.
Second. Nanga brand new na that time I'm Gabriel. And Busa ma.
What are you saying?
Oh, the Kaipo. Those times, you know, na I think that was the days of when His Excellency Rollins here president.
Yeah.
It is that time near Cancer Scan same. And there's a scan near kind of 5,000 or so. I don't know.
That's a 50 pesos.
Oh, 50%.
And 50 pesos.
Be a net 5 CD. I don't know. And now I don't know if it's 50 Ghana.
50,000.
I wouldn't know.
Five around that 5.
No, the man. And then just come bring the man. No,
what about
I mean, share on Tiazi.
50 annual Benji. And I'm sure somebody green guinea 10.
Oh, guys can crazy, but you can't man.
Certain I would tell you a studio. No,
not necessarily person me turn me trefiana me this year. You're quite near testing a buy.
No, no,
I'm fine.
And certain parents more pressure say, oh, me on one of cool school be a because.
Send me washable so into your quite many big crashing bottom. And then be a new fear, baby, I'm here be out hunting music and me this year.
Okay.
Me this year. What group no plywood no. A why was so kakranti me be anam dia show.
1 hour and 1 hour.
Na why kakara me
why be count.
The show anam dia DS so. Sa anam pakis kana. Ti me ko hu ye no. Yeah fast be fine am kotoy.
From Case Frequency, now be you be studio.
No, I mean from Case Frequency there now my cash. Because from Case Frequency I started making CD moye recording pose on my pose on.
Like why first artist I'm recording
first artist I'm recording was Sydney.
I'm
recording a bar out.
No.
I was part of the Ochira Hodia, but that ana KK a boss in TBB and also back.
That's not from Nananum.
Nananum, no your group. And now or they Mumuba chair. The later I saw the way to buy NFL. Okay, NFL. Native Funk Clause. No, the Dead Body. By no Osade a first Chico Dawuni or Doc Casa Gumasun. So I was part of all those productions.
Production in an alcohol.
Yes. I was a guy in the studio, no? And the
okay, boss and Kawana.
Oh, yes, at some point, no jam, I mean, not feminine, maybe. So not that time, no, Cheremica crack and do baby, no, mina, my master, call no time, I did transfer.
Okay, I hear say it's late.
No, K is gone long time ago.
Wow.
May he so rest in peace.
Wow. So all these experiences put together within a period of 20 years.
Yeah. And you better, sir. But you know something? Who say, Fanny say, oh, Bonum be a yo de. Now you say, be a chichi jay. Then you know, then now, chichi jay, now, Tonomo, one shall wear you man.
And you know, they're cool.
It's in what Gino is not even on the hard work you are doing. So if I say headphone, the shower, so you are enjoying yourself and working. So in that, me man is such that I'm always creating music. Eti ubusa me ati omeka say appear to be me sa me niaje. Juma comes with that you also be out the bank or calculating numbers ultimately you cry because I said the concentration here clear.
Yeah.
As around you busy could do busy game. Now samaba. And so maybe then I can have fun.
When it Juma we know.
And no sano. I'm not who say, hey, appear why Juma. I put over 200 hits I have done on my Facebook and people went gaga. So many songs and artists I have worked with 200 hits. If you go on my Facebook, I want to say, and people went gaga. Hey, I be why you about maybe who they say Juma on there.
Yeah, when it Juma
now, oh yeah.
To whom read that.
I was a obi or ball up on any Jipopa. It's your passion or the band will be on only second no yen. See, I couldn't say be a moya mamu say ya. On 5 we musa. To say they do or do a jumano.
Tinisika and we don't know what jumano.
Who are dome jumana naturally, you know, you always, stand out.
Creative studio is only a man's banner chance.
Yes.
On this kind of buy.
And you know this can buy. Me papa finally papa who you know can hold na ejiche Japadian. And I mean the garage. Me say no challenge. Person this start BB. It's we call garage honor. Me di cushion ni bibi akotare tare hoye dex.
Na soundproof.
me ye bibia me am koto cushion better ho faith power a mini machine back okra ni sa keyboard na me won eno
no na be chambra
iti ye na me ka che no that time manziba me na me bobo no nyuma no iti ye no na me from case frequency and na ni nua yofi brew
yeah
iti yofi na ka che say oh appear to see any certain people because no auto machine say free abuchi ababo no onye ready say onye sound engineer ntino interested was have no kwatra kwa shishe studios they kind of the man me shishe and they starting yeah
the first gig na hwan
oh Amanziba those times I think she kele agazo di da di di
Rexoma.
That's
another chorus no go home.
Oh no, my breaking the dada. My breaking the dada. You are not there.
Wow. It's after 4 years. Now I'm separate here.
Yes.
And then time in Chelsea been near Jumana.
Oh yes, sir. Say okay, I saw the machine in me for some time. Time no crap home. Now can me fan Tommy there. I feel now say ya chow me. Oh, there's I said Jimmy Carr used to 2 years. We now I feel we used to do 4 years.
Pound.
He also another.
And all this while and now when you're condo one casa on you.
Oh, really? Who said? My passion was to be the biggest producer ever.
Biggest producer ever.
And I think I have achieved it. You know, after I started calling the artists and asking them, and then I ended up doing over 200 hit songs. Not the ones I recorded. The songs I recorded, I did not add them because I don't know, me the count the number 2000. But 200 solid hits every Ghanaian knows. So a new way there. At that time, it was big. I got 200 of them. And I think I achieved it. By helping people from the Wuta to Prayer to Kwabna to Kufinti of Ramponsan, Daddy Lumba, Ujenchi, blah going
now where from that idea say and appear to in the mix.
Well, at some point, you know, near Fedishim and JQ they buy bash so kaya JQ.
Yes.
It's your buy and a trend to be a buy. You have artists in super happy also for audition. And they 4 months hard him. And the sometime me record Shatawale. Bandana there no feature and you on a track by what is the Oya Shikilinu. Georgia.
Yeah.
No feature on any track be. Now I record I rehearse an way, but me loopy beat neighbor. And he was shouting Apietus, but I was recording him. See the loops, you know, me record, but I'm grabbing him. It's a recording now, him shouting Apietus, because I repeat, I loop the whole song. You see, and I started recording. So the overdubs of his voice, what him Apietus me feel good, and I will record the small speakers in the record so that it doesn't feed back into the studio. And I'm in new arguments. So now I'm arguing in the song.
Be out here recording.
So my studio no more treating me. Now my studio, they are musicians, so much be different. What do you different? Share. What do you different? You know, obi titi, obi should studio no friend me. At the time I'm stopping. No, I recorded a lot of voices.
So
I chose one, and I added it in the mix. In the mix, no was Bruni Bino kind.
So appear to Shatawale in the kind.
In the voice. Yeah, na me de no matulu to here, but ono kind is his voice. Ono ano kind. And the way of frame no tone do the frame is no frame up. You tools. Besi na jina who me as no frame or za tone no me de.
When a musician be or matter or Ghana, the case no more that it pass more recording you. When I from one about change.
Well, who say yes at the pan there. You don't obi can answer me say Gary yenye ho advert da so debia
nkofodi
Gary tonsi no megu eyi ayenye ho advert anya sam ketwa that's the thing. I mean, Amanfoɔ realized the work I was doing, then and now, and they trooped in. Yes, they trooped in, and
listening endless. Sarkodie, Castro, Abrahamfo, Samini, 4x4, 55, Kujentry, Daddy Lumba, Kwabna, Forian Ponsa, Wuta, Praye, KK Fuzurex, Soma, Chame, Kwame, Lucky Mensa, hey, George Dakon, Sydney, Kofinti, Brothers, Becca, Kwade, Kokesi, D2, Rana, Nana Champion, High Life Rappers.
Casanova, oh, yo, Nana Champion, millionaires.
Not Josh Lai, you
Josh Lai, Refuel. The gospel album. I did the whole album for him. Yes.
Wow. And then came the story, say, Ubesoye musical president.
Yes.
And they didn't know who you.
Well, I mean, Obuoba power. And Oshe me ideologies in your manner. What I stand for and what he knows me for. No, so remember one. So that time I think there was some issue with some Sikebi Edema na man for until I say
2 million Ghana cedis no.
So obey me communication minister.
So ko chiche mano.
To me call around. Chiche man ko phone say yeah no cry the say case. Say aban iska. Na 2 million chiche na ya no munti scared ma wayo mi mu ana. The scared ma wayo the bi ni scared ma yen. Kakre ne yen wudi na next time mesa ma ye bi mu ana. So I realize if there's any differences yen trust in solve no ka ho. And that was when I was fresh in. There 70 bad down kakra.
Yeah.
Which about the second term no be me. Before the second term no some post no me. Okay, the second term no be director of arts and or am director of discovery and talents. But me who said before I contested him no. Obeka match Bobo. If you see we it won't cost us nothing. Let's push this agenda, blah 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 blah. Obeka you.
And so funny.
6,000 years later.
Yes, I need to say.
It's enough fair ya and talk. Okay, we are see on one can there be them. And then you also call bonus or what many idea be a say Obeka you.
Fine pa. And so on pa.
I get it, but I maybe realize this and you know some people gave him the mandate. Kofobi they didn't see honum. And the majority of people giving the mandate are the aged musicians. Music and akwa bibi eti was say young guys, youth, they feel like it has nothing to offer them. Really. Look at so go Johnny musicals and me kwa dey na menya. Dey na wo ho. Me gigi me dues me nya hwe. Then so akwa no fit say come wu kra ba be sie no say Uber you have to do programs that will benefit them. To share your ma obo very very prominent. Amworth aging musicians welfare fund. No say ball kakraka we invite president. No abe donate kakraka. The amount kokra. Na me busa say na see abe a week ago and me boa
2 weeks ago.
10,000. 2 weeks ago. Was it a week ago?
Almost 2 weeks.
Almost 2 weeks ago. Okay, say Easter Neptune. Benefit be 10,000. The is how you be say no free stone boy mo no nka ho artist almost ubre. Now so musu mo nyeje 10,000 Kenya fe.
Some of them who dey on you.
Enye ne sa at the end of the day no, for the same me be leader na be say mehwem kokora nko a. Then the interest will be for those people. The youth will also not join. Then are you the president for the
whole music and attractive?
Because some people gave him some mandate and he feels he has to follow.
You say no win the term of office also over control contest yana. Me
go ya fa form and the crown everything.
And the usru.
Musro saying. Me who say confirm no more honum no. I did a program. I rolled out the program to record 100 artists. I went to Volta region to record 10. Went to Central region to record 10. Ebi wo ha memoable. Now at the end of the day, no me realize say even 100 never can one it to engusiaga. Because I'm more move to or back into power. No, they are still in their numbers. So I need to get about 1,000 to 2,000 people there.
Maybe they are seeing what you don't see.
No, because you be only interest. But if Francis Ghana away, now His Excellency Nana Addo say obeshe young obeshe in Kokrankwa because of old man. The youth to name bra. Who visit any busy? What do you mean, Kasa? Oh, you're president. You have been president for all. And I don't cannot say both the aged and the
up and coming one.
The young. Omukra me fi so mu here more help. And nkwala we obuo ma sika kra beba me iti the aboa mpanifo no. Enti obi tua the school fees ma oko school. Unti ase. There were a lot of opportunities.
And fine.
I went to Wales and it's there to secure festivals. I got 600 and over festivals. Young youth we are money now. Artists we were offering obi to say 5 for more. Artists are so active right now. They are no member. Now so Kobo show in the amount $2,000. What you say? Now so union about 500. Obaka say there we. What you want here? You amount 100 shows. Show the man cost 600. You are there Kobo 100. It be amount 1,500. And you $150,000.
Into this idea, and the engineer also standing for me.
I say fine pan. Then so one year, and the man be bufu. I'm facing the first time. Now we say, oh, sir, at the end of the constitution in the your man, your my affair. I fought single-handedly. Say everybody will vote now. Will be a vote too, but most voters now are still the same voters. Youth now may join it. They barely came. If I say
and two so contest, it's
not also politician be a okoko contest. As a oko zone be now a politician. You want to stand MP there. You just a MPP zone. A NDC zone. We yet then for bear the past how many years NDC for MP na win so MPP for MP and I had a win you have to know if you
so assess what one
answer wako because your baby one ma some particular party will pick and I'm a
so Bo will practically handpick someone to replace him.
That's what it looks like. Because there's obi didn't see one to obi cannot be issue, and I feel say if you have nothing to hide, it should be plain.
Music and maybe cause and try you on.
Now I feel like the youth should join because Mekasakure Ngosiaga. I feel like the youth should also join and make decisions as to who should be their leader.
Nani another constituency now omo town obo omo to Obama de piano. Unto was in church because you can is
church he's over 60 years. He's not doing active music anymore. Most of them are not doing active music, and I'm sure if you inquire, you realize. And his interest is baby. Where do you know? Where see, Ebi will retire at 60. Ebi on yet very active. Are you getting what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, Nina was so I didn't know me church mu. I didn't man go church much but I felt say me come on my ideas. Me feel say I know we are. Ebebua no bi akọ na okoye the youth ni kwa bochu akobo show na o kan onu so do kuta vote.
Okay, my name is Apia Nanko, a Pietus, a sound engineer, musician, was also crying actor. Why you busy no money, no love?
And only I'm artist Kengaro, second runner up Vodafone Icons 2018. I'm telling you, watch out for this boy, dangerous.
That's what you mean, watch out.
I said me to know kakra.